Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, dining table design ideas. Dining tables are humble, hardworking home furnishing. We eat them daily, decorate them for holiday dinners, even work on them from time to time. A great dining table provides ease of dependability over utility and needs only minimal upkeeps. I have made thousands of tables in my life as a furniture maker. Most dining tables, like other furniture, are built to standard dimensions. Although customized dining table styles vary, you will discover that there would not be many varieties in dining tables. So please enjoy this video and subscribe my channel and do not skip the video and like share for friends and family members. I hope enjoy this video and like the video. Dining table, small dining table and large marble and wood dining table designs. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा और मेरे चैनल के साथ रखिएगा। मिलते हैं एक नई बहुत ही प्यारी वीडियो में।